Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for our presentation of Better Late Than Never, Recharge, Renew, and Rejuvenate Your Existing Building. My name is Jessica Cabina, and I will be the moderator for today's course. First, a little bit about GBRI. GBRI is an independent organization providing continuing education for AIA and LEED professionals. We aim to help you in your green building career wherever possible. We offer CE packages, webinar subscriptions, LEED project experience, consulting services, LEED exam prep, and the Green Barcode Directory through our website. We are not owned by US GBC or the Green Building Certification Institute. While we're waiting for everyone to join today's meeting, I would like to introduce to you GBRI's new course series for 2014 titled The Future of Sustainable Architecture. As you know, sustainability and green building are not new concepts to mankind. From caves and tents to huts and igloos, humans have creatively used natural materials and adapted to their surroundings since their arrival on the planet. Over the years, as technology matured and grew more sophisticated, so did the ability to exploit it for the good of people. The structures that humans built became more technologically advanced and less reliant on natural elements of our world. With the advent of advanced heating and air conditioning systems in the 20th century, it became relatively easy to alter our internal environments rather than adapt to the natural ones surrounding us. Today, we are becoming increasingly aware that natural resources are limited, and we must live more sustainably to endure and thrive on this planet. GBRI's Future of Sustainable Architecture course series aims to reconnect today's generation with our ancestral roots. We hope to revive and implant the ideas we lost along the way while improving on them in a more localized, sustainable, futuristic, and enduring manner. Now I'd like to introduce today's presenters. Paulina Marinkovic is a Sustainability and LEED AP O&M consultant. She works for Samba Energy developing energy-efficient and renewable energy projects and advising clients on how to turn their existing projects into more sustainable and efficient ones based on LEED guidelines. Paulina has a degree in environmental management and global climate change from Harvard University. She volunteers with the US GBC for the Green Apple event and provides advice on water crisis and water management to nonprofit agencies. Our second instructor for today is Michael Hidary. Michael is the co-founder of Samba Energy. He built a platform that analyzes residential, commercial, and nonprofit government client sites for sustainability and renewable energy. Through its proprietary software and national affiliate network, Samba manages the installation of technologies such as solar, energy storage, EV charging stations, demand response, lighting, and much more. These measures can eventually lead to LEED certification for buildings utilizing government programs that reduce the cost and maximize ROI. Michael serves on the Board of Americans for Clean Energy, a political association for the renewable industry in Washington, D.C., and of smarttransportation.org, an advocacy group dedicated to clean tech transport solutions. And now we'll go ahead and start with Section 1. Here's Paulina.
Building reuse typically offers greater environmental savings than demolition and new construction. Existing buildings have less input of construction material compared to new construction. And new construction produces more CO2 emissions. Existing buildings create less noise, air, and toxic pollution. Reusing existing buildings is also good for the economy. Historic rehabilitation has a 32-year track record of creating 2 million jobs and generating $90 billion in private investment. Studies show residential rehabilitation creates 50% more jobs than new construction. Let's now move to the next slide. Let's take a look at some drivers for retrofitting existing buildings. Why focus on existing? Developers take shortcuts. These newly existing buildings represent a missed opportunity for savings. by past design and construction decisions that could have led to large reductions in energy use and carbon emissions over the life cycle of the building. Newer buildings are often occupied without a commissioning process to ensure performance in line with original design. The potential disparity grows over time as improper maintenance and changes in facility operation lead to more and more wasted energy. In terms of energy use, improving building efficiency offers benefits beyond those realized on site. For every unit of energy actually used by the building, many more units of energy are lost along the way due to inefficiencies inherent in the delivery system. In fact, according to the EIA, there may be as many as 10 units of fuel energy wasted for every 1 unit actually used by the building. So by decreasing the energy consumption of a building, you're actually killing 2 birds in 1 shot. The Empire State Building did receive a LEED Gold certified plaque and has the Energy Star label. This is just one of the many successful examples of rejuvenating an existing building.